Alright guys, so do you want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new bar stools? I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for reviews. Let's go take a look at them. Alright, so as I'm putting them together, this is the brown set of two. Everything's packed securely and labeled, and assembly is simple. Just a seat, metal base, and hardware bag. The legs are solid metal with a black powdered coat finish that's rust resistant, so even if you spill a drink or clean around them, they won't be corroded. You'll notice the frame design. The curved bottom adds stability while giving that modern minimal look. The seat itself feels premium. It's a 3.15-inch thick high-density foam cushion covered in a waterproof imitation leather material that's soft but firm enough to hold shape. All the screw holes lined up easily, so no wrestling with misaligned parts here. Took about 10 minutes per chair to fully assemble, and I like that they include the rubber feet at the bottom, so it helps with anti-slip and protects your floor from scratches, especially if you got hardwood or tile. So now here's what they look like fully assembled. The half round barrel design immediately stands out. It has that upscale cafe style that fits perfectly into a kitchen, island, or bar. The semi-enclosed backrest is what makes these different. It supports your back and arms enough without feeling bulky or oversized. The 24-inch seat is ideal for most standard counter islands, and the built-in footrest sits at a comfortable level so your legs aren't dangling. I like that they blend into both modern and rustic interiors. The brown shade has a warm tone that pairs well with wood or marble counters. They're also lightweight, so you can slide them around easily, but they still feel solid thanks to that metal frame. You can tell the stitching and material were done well. It's wear resistant, doesn't wrinkle, and wipes clean with just a damp cloth. Perfect if you've got kids or host often. Now that I'm sitting on the seat, it is actually very comfortable. The cushion has enough give to feel soft, but it doesn't sink in over time. The high density foam holds firm support even after long use. The curved back hits just below the shoulder blades, which feels natural. You can lean back, rest your arms, and still stay upright enough to eat or work at the counter. The footrest placement makes a big difference too. No awkward stretching or slouching, just a relaxed position. If you're using these daily, whether for morning coffee, dinner, or hosting, the design really fits all day use. They don't squeak, they don't rock, and the rubber padding keeps them silent when you move around. And because the material is waterproof and stain resistant, cleanup is quick. A simple wipe takes care of the spills or fingerprints. Overall, they're stylish, comfortable, and functional. So if you guys are looking for some new bar stools, definitely look into these. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.